I received a parcel and it's probably the tail light for my bicycle. Let's take a look inside. It came already with this hole, so that yeah, that's the exactly the tail light. Let's see that. So that's the tail light, actually, with two powerful LEDs in it. And this is the mount. This is the turn on button. Of course nothing happens because the battery is not in there yet. So let's see what else is included. They make it really hard to open. So that's for the seat post, I guess. First mount is going probably this way. And then when I want to take it out, it's going like this. Up. Okay, later I will put it on my bicycle, I'll show you. The batteries included. I'm not sure if they're good or not, but let's try. Okay, what it says. Includes batteries, taillight, seat post. Each of the LEDs should be 1 watt, probably, and say 15 hours. That's not bad, if it's true, of course. Okay, let's check that. How this guy is opening is probably yes. They not provide the instructions, so we figured it out by ourselves. Okay, it's turned on. Possibly this mode means dancing. Then 1, 2, off. Again dancing. They're too bright actually, even through the camera. They break in my eyes. Okay, let's just okay. I just install it on my bike. Okay, so this is the mounting clips over here. So we do it like this, or if you want to take it out, do it like this. So that's it, essentially. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so there is the light installed. Now I try to turn it on in different modes when it's no light. It's too bright actually for the camera. This is the one LED mode. Now on 2 LED mode. That's even better. And this is how it looks like from the long distance, about 8 meters. Now this is how it looks, the front light itself, in the full power mode. Now this is how it looks when they are turned on together. It's very beautiful actually. Here I just want to show that if we zoom the zoom of the front light. Lights the whole room. So they're probably useful for writing. It's gonna be something like this. So that's not bad spot, actually.